Good morning, this is Lisa Fugel, your instructor for the course Vulnerable Populations. It's June 11th, 2018, and I'd like to start off by just talking a little bit about the Nurse of the Future competencies. These are your part of your program competencies, and those include 10 categories: patient-centered care, professionalism, leadership, system-based practice, informatics and technology, communication, teamwork and collaboration, safety, quality improvement, evidence-based practice. It is important to know that these are what guides your program in a lot of the courses. But there's also 9 essentials of the baccalaureate education for professional nursing practice that are also incorporated into Bay Path University's RN to BSN program. And all of those really guide what you're doing in every course throughout your program. And what I'd like to do is have you take a look at your course syllabus, and I have it pulled up on the screen here. And I'm sure that this is not your first course, so this might be a little bit redundant, and I apologize, but I think it's important to really have an understanding of how your courses are developed and what the expectation is throughout the program and also the individual courses. So certainly this goes over your course description, and you'll notice here's the program learning outcomes, and you can see here there's 10 of them. And for the Nurse of the Future competencies, knowledge is in the middle with these 10 categories surrounding that knowledge piece. And then your course competencies identify 5 of those 10 categories. So in this course, we're going to be really kind of honing in on just 5 of the Nurse of the Future competencies. If we scroll down, it goes into the materials for this course, how you'll be evaluated, and you'll see that there's weekly discussions, 50 points each for a total of 300, weekly papers, which are 300 points each, case studies 2, and then a final reflection paper. Each of these assignments are really spelled out well. I think it's important that as you're looking at the assignments, you want to go back after you've written something, whether it's a discussion or a paper or a case study, and go back to the outline, go back to the requirements, and use it as like a little checklist to make sure that you've touched on every aspect that you needed, because that is often the determination whether your assignment is proficient, mastery, exemplary. Did you touch on everything, and then the extent of which you touched on that particular assignment, that topic. As I scroll down, I'm going to scroll through to week 1. So week 1 is holistic patient-centered care, and the competency is to demonstrate holistic patient-centered care by respecting individual preferences, culture, socioeconomic status, sex and gender, age and ability, in the delivery of culturally competent care to vulnerable populations. And you can see what is expected of you, the student will, and there's 4 things listed. There's the required readings. One of the things I did want to point out is that one of the links is not working. I want you to instead read in your textbook page 416 to 419. Refer to that. I think that will adequately suffice since that article is not available. It's providing culturally competent care, and it's some great information that really kind of help enhance some of the discussions and some of the work that you're going to be doing this week. But you'll see that you have a weekly discussion that is due Thursday, and you have a paper that is due on Saturday. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I am here for you, and I want you to really enjoy this course and learn a lot. So that's it for me for today, and I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.